What's up, guys? Today we have this. It's the iPhone 12 Pro, and this one is in Pacific Blue color. And we also have a case for it. This one's the iPhone 12/12 Pro silicone case. And this, what color is it anyway? Deep navy. Okay, here it is. We're gonna be using this case on the phone. So, time to unbox it. That. They've reduced the size of the box quite significantly because here's why. They're not including a charger or headphones. How weird. Oh, there it is. There's the phone. Okay, so instead of the, the clear plastic film they normally put there, there's plus, minus for the volume, power over here, and the mute button. Well, switch, I should say, and then power down there. Instead of that, it's this paper/plastic film. And the back doesn't have have anything to peel off. So, okay, let's leave the phone here. And included is a Lightning to USB-C. Instead of the Lightning to USB-A, because this one supports fast charging, and they kind of encourage you to buy their 18-watt fast charger. Right, and in here, what else do we get? The SIM tool, because I bought the, unlocked version. This, some warranty information or something? I don't know, safety information. And weirdly enough, only one Apple sticker, not the usual two. Okay, so here's a phone that it's going back to that, this kind of, how do I describe the design? Kind of, I shouldn't say blocky, but like it's just not curved on the side, it's just like flat on the sides. Let's see, power it up. Come on, power up. It's the first time, give it some time, Or is it out of battery? Is it out of juice? Oh, there it goes. Oh, look at the back. So it's got a matte finish on the back, but a glossy finish on the Apple sticker. No, not the sticker, but the logo, the Apple logo. And the cameras all have a glossy finish to them. Oh, okay. I speak English. I'm in the United States. I'll set it up manually. Right. So that from there, you can set it up. It still has the notch, so that's still a part of an iPhone. Heard it was gonna at least shrink. Is this the? Wait. Stop. Wait. What's that? This feels like something. Hold up. Hold up there. Is this an antenna? Or do they put back the fingerprints? Okay, I'll have to do some more research and we'll go over some features of this iPhone later in this video, okay? So later in the video, features. Oh, it knows there's a case, I guess. Wait, let's do that again. Let's do that again. So, pop the iPhone out. This case, it's kind of okay. Alright, so, go back. Alright, let's put the iPhone in the case and watch that again. Oh, it only did it once. It kind of had a circle in the middle. I'll have to do that again soon. Alright, but here's how it looks with the case on it. It's not bad, actually. It doesn't look half bad, but it does cover up pretty much all of the blue, except for on the camera. So that's kind of the unboxing part. We'll go over some features and what it can do later, okay? So that will come up in 3, 2.